Okay, hello everyone. We are looking at page 6. I actually did this one incorrectly, so now I'm going to do it correctly. I had the player moving wrong, and I was using velocity, but what you should be using is you just need to move the player sprite to the right by 3 every time you press it instead of velocity. So inside the move player, use a conditional to detect when the right arrow is pressed. If it is, move the sprite to the right by 3. So watch what I do. I'm going to grab a conditional. I'm going to grab one for right and left. I'm going to go over to world, I think, is it? Yes. Key down. That's going to be to the right. I'm also going to grab key down for the left. And then I'm going to go to my variables. Oh, actually, no. I'm going to go to sprites. I'm going to grab my sprite X. So I'm really just moving my X coordinate. I'm not doing my velocity as much. It's going to be player X. I'm going to grab my math. The right is a plus and left is minus. And watch what I do. So I'm just going to do a tiny little counting pattern. Player.x equals player.x plus 3. And then player.x minus 3. Now I should be able to move it right and left. There we go. Nailed it. Special thanks to Timothy Chu for helping me do this one. All right. Now I'm also, I believe in 7, we're going to make it go up and down. Might as well just do this real quick. It's the exact same thing, but instead I'm going to use my y coordinates. All right. My computer is slowing down a lot. So same thing. Use a conditional to detect when the up arrow is pressed. If it is, move the player sprite up by 3. Conditional to move the player down when the down arrow is pressed. Got it. So we do the exact same thing. Under move player, where is it? There it is. I'm going to grab 2 more, one for up and one for down. I'm going to grab my key down here. If the key is down for up, and if the key is down for, click on it, I want this to be down. And I'm going to do the exact same thing I did up here. I'm going to grab my sprites, but this time it's going to be the Y position. Player.y equals player.y. And watch what I do here. To go up is actually a minus. That's confusing, I know. Just trust me. To go down is plus. And I'm just going to say player y equals, come on, get in there. Why isn't it working? Well, let's try this. Minus 3, plus 3. Watch what I do. Player.y. So instead of x, it's y because it's my up and down. So now these are the 4 to make my guy move. There it is. Bada bing, bada boom. That's how we do it.